So today I want to explain about introduction. Matcha Berry Cafe was chosen as the case study for this assignment. The cafe offers a variety of desserts and drinks. This study focused on understanding how product costs are calculated using common menu items. Matcha Berry Cafe was founded by Aurora Felicia to create a cozy cafe for the local community and earn additional income.
So next is costing method. Costing method has two methods, which is job costing method and batch costing method. So for job costing method is used when work is done for a specific order or customer, and then each group is different, so costs are calculated separately for each job. Track costs like material, labor and overhead for one job at a time. And then for batch costing method is used when products are made in group. The costs are calculated for the whole batch, then it will divide by the number of units. Products in batch are identical.
The table shows the costing for production a batch of strawberry matcha. The direct material costs are RM155 which include matcha, powders, milk, strawberry pure, sugar and cup. Direct labor costs RM200, giving a prime cost of RM355. Production overhead such as indirect material, indirect labor, electricity and equipment depreciation bring a total production cost to RM450. After added selling and distribution overhead, the total cost for the batch is RM540 with a 30% profit at the selling price for the batch is RM702, which is RM40.04 per unit.
Hi, my name is Putri Karyasmin Binta Mosman. This job cost card shows the total cost of producing a batch of dark indulgent chocolate. The direct material include ingredients such as chocolate, butter, flour, and egg, which total RM630. The direct labor cost is RM200, covering the baker and assistant. This gives a prime cost of RM830. Production overhead include indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expense, bringing the total production cost to RM1,125. After adding selling and distribution overhead, the total cost of the batch is RM1,350. With a 30% profit margin, the selling price of the batch is RM1,755. For 10 units produced, the cost per unit is RM135 and the selling price per unit is RM175.50.
Pricing strategy for strawberry matcha. Total cost for a batch is RM540. Profit for a batch is 30% of total cost RM162. Selling price for a batch is RM702. Cost per unit total cost plus batch size 50 units RM10.80. Profit per unit total profit plus batch size 50 unit RM3.24. Selling price per unit selling price plus batch size 50 units RM14.04. Pricing strategy for the indulgence cake. Total cost for a batch is RM1,350. Profit for a batch is 30% of total cost is RM405. Selling price for a batch is RM1,755. Cost per unit total cost plus batch size 10 units RM135. Profit per unit is total profit plus batch size 10 unit RM40.50. Selling price per unit is selling price plus batch size 10 units RM175. 75 ringgit 50 cents.
This assignment helped me improve my calculation skills and understanding of business costs. Interviewing the cafe owner was challenging but helped develop my problem-solving skill. I also learned the importance of teamwork and gained a better understanding of direct and indirect cost cut method. From my point of view, after finishing this assignment, I learned something new. This topic is very important for everyone in business, especially business owners, because it helps them control company costs. Knowing the cost of producing each other, such as ingredient and labor, is important for which business goals. Through this topic, I learned which costs are more important and where expense can be reduced. This skill helped in making better decisions using resources wisely and increase profit. Overall, this experience helped me better understand cost management and why it is important for business success.
Through the assignment, I learned the importance of being accurate when calculating quantities. Interviewing the cafe owner was a valuable experience that pushed me out of my comfort zone and helped me improve my thinking and communication skill. It also gave me more confidence to handle new situations. In addition, working in group taught me the importance of teamwork and clear communication. By sharing ideas and supporting each other, we are able to complete this assignment successfully and on time.
So, my part, this assignment helped me understand how to calculate production costs. It also improved my teamwork and communication skills through group work and interact with the business owner. Overall, it was a useful learning experience that enhanced my problem solving and time management skills.
For me, the product cost computation project was a good learning experience. I learned how to calculate production costs and identify direct and indirect costs using the job cost cut method. At first, the topic was difficult, but this assignment helped me understand it better. The task also helped me connect theory with real practice, and working in a group made learning easier and more enjoyable while showing that accounting is not only about numbers but is also about decision making. For me, the product cost computation project was a good learning experience. I learned how to calculate production costs and identify direct and indirect costs using the job cost cut method. At first, the topic was difficult, but this assignment helped me understand it better. The task also helped me connect theory with real practice, and working in a group made learning easier and more enjoyable while showing that accounting is not only about numbers but is also about decision making. For me, the product cost computation project was a good learning experience. I learned how to calculate production costs and in conclusion, cost accounting and the job cost cut play an important role in helping organization understand and control the production cost. Cost accounting provides useful information for planning, controlling, and decision making, while the job cost cut help track direct and indirect for each specific job accurately. Together, they enable business to determine product cost, improve efficiency, and make better managerial decisions, showing that cost accounting is not just about recording numbers but supporting effective management.